need somebody new, so I forget about the way that my body moves when I'm with you.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an updated curly hair routine / tutorial. And today we will be working with about day 5 or 6 hair. Yes, I can now film in the shower. That's very exciting. So I can actually show you what I do in here instead of just roughly explaining it like I did in my past videos. This way is a lot better because I can actually show you what I'm doing instead of just verbalizing it. Today I will be obnoxiously chomping on my gum and also using the All About Curls line from Zotos. Here is their low lather shampoo. It is free of silicones and sulfates and all that kind of stuff people tend to like to avoid.
That I wanna do when I'm with you. I need somebody new, so I forget about the way that my body moves when I'm with you. I need somebody new, so I forget about the things that I wanna do when I'm with you.
Right now I am slightly detangling and just working this through my hair. Like I said, it is a low lather. I tend to use a little extra because the more sudsy my hair is, especially with a low lather, the more slip it has for a shampoo for my type of hair. Everyone's different. This is the method that I use and it works for my hair type. I really focus on working it through and massaging it into my scalp. It is necessary, it is absolutely necessary to really work a low or no lather into your scalp to get the dirt off if you want your hair clean.
Forget about the way that my body moves when I'm with you.
Also, huge shout out and thanks to Zotos for sending me their entire product line to review. I really appreciate that. This video is not sponsored. It is my own thoughts and opinions. I've been using this line for about a month now and I absolutely love it. Here's some hair shed and I am just fighting with my camera again, don't mind me. Smile and wave, just keep it moving. Yeah, I'm using my Apple Watch as a viewfinder and I don't know, the steam or something in the shower is just like making it slide down, then I can't see myself, but you work with what you got. Anyway, if you'll excuse me, I have to jump out of the shower like a delinquent and grab this peppermint essential oil sent to me on Instagram by Bubbly Bell. Huge shout out and thanks to them. I like to add this into my shampoo and also fight with my camera once again. But yeah, adding it to my shampoo, I like to really work it into my scalp. It is invigorating and kind of a zen moment for me. Mixes with like the steam in the shower and it smells really good. And it leaves my scalp clean and tingly and refreshed.
Need somebody new, so I forget about the way that my body moves when I'm with you.
Next, I will be following up with their leave-in deep conditioner or divine treatment. It is very creamy in consistency, super moisturizing, and I will just work this through my hair. Starting to really focus on detangling now in a more thorough way. There is more shed here. After leaving it in for about 10 minutes, this really softens my hair, adds slip, and makes it much more manageable to work with. I've really been working on reducing my single strand knots because that is like my main issue that I struggle with. And here, yep, there it is. And cue the eye roll, yep. So, and here I go fighting with my camera again. And I'm pretty sure this was a bad argument between the camera and I, so I will briefly explain to you my struggle while I fight with this thing. I have been stretching my curls and also adding in more leave-in conditioner, which is adding to the moisture in my hair and making it much more manageable. But yes, moving on, just continuing to slowly detangle. I am just adding more moisture into the deep conditioner with this spray bottle. Really just increasing slip. I had to make sure that it was still working because it's the same temperature as the shower water and I couldn't tell if it was working or not. But yeah, that really softens my hair, and I'll just work this detangling brush through it again, and I'm making sure that my camera is not doing me wrong again, and she wasn't, but I had to make sure. As you see here, I am kind of raking through with my fingers initially, and then following it with the detangling brush, which flings product everywhere. So yeah, I like to paint my shower. But yeah, it really works through and detangles, and I have thick hair and it's hard to find a brush that really pushes through that and detangles it. So yeah, I will just work in kind of like a circular motion around my hair and really just work the product through. The curl clumpage is real, look at that. But this is after shampooing and conditioning, and I'm just adding some more moisture with this mister before putting in my leave-in. Following up with their Luxe Leave-In Detangler, this is a product I've come to love. I am just smoothing this through my hair, and as I apply it, I've really been working on my application methods. I will grab a rough section, or like a thicker section, and kind of work my fingers through to make sure my curls are extended before I actually put force on them and pressure and kind of extend them and pull them outwards. So this really helps with smoothing out and reducing the amount of knots and tangles that I get. And applying it like this also helps clump my curls together as well. And if they are happy, I am happy. So yeah, you can see they're kind of clumped there, and I'll just continue to do this and just really work it through. Next is their high definition gel, which I also love. So prior to applying this, I will just wet my hair and then split it down the middle like this and just really smooth it through my hair. And here is a mostly one side done versus the other, and it really just clumps my curls. So I'll just do it to the other side, and then I will use the same method that I used when I applied the leave-in, and just kind of give myself shingles or unicorn horns or whatever you want to call it, but applying it like this reduces frizz for me. And I'll just make sure there's a noise when I squeeze the product through my hair to make sure there's enough, and I'll just shake my hair out. I have no idea where this red blotch came from on my neck, but yeah, I think I scratched myself, but I'll wait about 45 minutes for my hair to dry, and now we're back. The definition and hold I get with this gel is amazing. I love it. Super shiny. And I will just kind of zhuzh it just a little bit. And I'm shaking it out some. And I will also just shake out my hair to kind of unfurl my curls because they like to twist around one another. So this kind of helps them unravel. And this stuff is just amazing. We're going to do some slow-mo shots. Huge shout out to Zotos again. Thank you. Love your products. Make sure to go check them out. And cue the slow-mo.
I need somebody
I have been obsessed with this song. It's called Somebody New by Telecast. I reached out to them and they responded very quickly. They let me use their song in my video, so huge shout out to them. Definitely go check them out. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram under Curly Carlisle. Products and song are also linked in the description box below. And until then, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Forget about